So, andito tayo ngayon sa Avida Tower Centera in Mandaluyong City. Meron tayong foreclosed condo unit na i-check. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. Second floor lang po tayo. So, yan. Second floor lang siya. Kaya ayan, facing amenities. So, from your living area, kitang-kita mo yung swimming pool. And yung lounge pool, pocket gardens, or landscape gardens. This is approximately 36 square meters. And ito yung kitchen niya. Over and under cabinets are all intact. And then bathroom, ayan. Very spacious. Pwede kayong maglaba, may abang siya sa laundry. And then ito yung pinaka bedroom area niya. Meron tayong aircon provision and then same view facing amenities. Okay. So this is around 5.1 million for bidding, and as is where is po tayo dito upon turnover. As you can see, the unit is actually in good condition. Mukhang hindi siya nagamit or natirhan ng previous owner. Okay. This is available in cash or at least 10% spot down payment and then 90% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So again, if you are interested to make a bid and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. Yung gym nila. So this is the amenity area. Meron tayong landscape garden, and then tawag dito is outdoor gym, and then swimming pool area nya, adult kiddie pool, lap pool. Ayan. Generous din siya sa swimming pool.